Iran. The name itself evokes a sense of mystery, a land where ancient history and vibrant culture intertwine seamlessly. This is a place where every stone has a story, and every corner holds a piece of the past. From the bustling bazaars of Tehran, filled with the aroma of exotic spices and the vibrant colors of textiles, to the majestic ruins of Persepolis, a testament to the grandeur of ancient empires, Iran offers a journey through time, a chance to walk in the footsteps of kings and poets. It's a place where you can connect with a civilization that has not only shaped its own destiny, but has also influenced the world in countless ways. But beyond the headlines and preconceived notions lies a different Iran, one that is often overshadowed by misconceptions. This is a land of warm hospitality, where guests are treated like family, and every meal is a feast for the senses. The breathtaking landscapes, from lush valleys to arid deserts, offer a diverse canvas of natural beauty. This is the Iran that captivates the hearts of those who venture beyond the familiar, the Iran that welcomes you with open arms and invites you to explore its rich tapestry of art, music, and cuisine. The Iran that we're here to explore together is one of hidden gems and unexpected delights. Join me as we delve into the heart of this fascinating country, uncovering stories that have been waiting to be told and challenging our perceptions along the way. We'll visit hidden historical sites that reveal the layers of Iran's past and wander through local markets where the pulse of daily life beats strong. Let's embark on a journey of discovery, one that promises to be as enlightening as it is enchanting. Embrace the warmth of the Iranian people, whose hospitality is legendary, and immerse yourself in the magic that awaits in every corner of this enchanting land. Get ready to be amazed by the cultural richness, to be challenged by the depth of history, and to fall in love with the real Iran. This is a journey that will leave you with memories to cherish and stories to share as we uncover the true essence of Iran together. It's easy to be influenced by the news and the often negative portrayal of Iran in the media, but scratch beneath the surface and you'll find a country brimming with life, laughter, and a deep-rooted sense of community. The Iranian people are known for their warmth and hospitality, always eager to welcome visitors with open arms and share their rich culture. You'll encounter genuine smiles, heartfelt conversations, and a generosity of spirit that will stay with you long after you've left. Don't let misconceptions cloud your judgment. Open your mind and your heart to the real Iran, and you'll discover a world of beauty, kindness, and unforgettable experiences. Iran's history spans millennia, a testament to its enduring legacy as the cradle of civilization. From the mighty Persian Empire of Cyrus the Great to the grandeur of Persepolis, the ruins whisper tales of ancient kings, epic battles, and a glorious past. Imagine standing among the towering columns of Persepolis, feeling the weight of history beneath your feet. Picture yourself wandering through the ancient city of Isfahan, marveling at the intricate tilework of its mosques and palaces. In Iran, history isn't confined to museums. It's woven into the fabric of everyday life, waiting to be discovered in every corner of this ancient land. Hospitality is more than just a tradition in Iran. It's an art form, a way of life. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted with warmth and generosity, invited to share meals, stories, and laughter with newfound friends. Whether you're sipping tea in a family home or sharing a meal in a local restaurant, you'll experience the true meaning of Iranian hospitality. Strangers become friends and connections are forged over steaming cups of tea and delicious plates of food. This genuine warmth and openness is one of the most endearing aspects of Iranian culture, leaving a lasting impression on all who experience it. Section 5, Treasures of Iran, Unveiling Architectural Marvels. Prepare to be dazzled by Iran's architectural wonders, a testament to the country's rich artistic heritage. From the soaring domes and intricate tilework of its mosques to the elegant gardens and palaces, Iran is a feast for the eyes. Step into the breathtaking Sheikh Lotfola Mosque in Isfahan, where every inch is adorned with exquisite calligraphy and vibrant colors. Lose yourself in the serene beauty of the Taj Mahal's Persian-inspired architecture. Each structure tells a story, reflecting the country's history, faith, and artistic brilliance. Section 6, A Feast for the Senses. Exploring Iranian Cuisine. Iranian cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors and aromas, a testament to the country's diverse culinary traditions. From fragrant rice dishes and succulent kebabs to delicate pastries and refreshing drinks, Iranian food is an adventure for your taste buds. Imagine savoring the rich flavors of a traditional koresh, a stew simmered with herbs, spices, and tender meat. Picture yourself indulging in a plate of cello kebab, fluffy rice served with grilled meat and a dollop of saffron-infused butter. Don't forget to try the sweets. Indulge in a piece of baklava, a sweet pastry filled with nuts and honey, or sip on a glass of sharbat, a refreshing drink made with fruit, sugar, and rosewater. Section 7. The Rhythms of Persia, Music and Dance. Music and dance are integral parts of Iranian culture, expressing the country's soul and spirit. From the haunting melodies of traditional Persian music to the energetic rhythms of folk dances, Iran's musical heritage is as diverse as its landscapes. Close your eyes and imagine the sound of the tar, a long-necked lute, filling the air with its mournful yet beautiful melodies. Picture yourself clapping along to the beat of the daf, a large-frame drum as dancers twirl and sway in colorful costumes. Whether you're attending a concert or simply listening to music in a local tea house, let the rhythms of Persia transport you to another world. Section 8. Nature's Masterpieces, Iran's Diverse Landscapes. Beyond its cultural treasures, Iran boasts a stunning array of natural wonders. From snow-capped mountains and lush forests to vast deserts and pristine beaches, Iran's landscapes are as diverse as its people. Picture yourself trekking through the Alborz Mountains, breathing in the fresh mountain air and marveling at the panoramic views. Imagine yourself camping under a star-studded sky in the Lut Desert, the hottest place on Earth. For those seeking adventure, Iran offers endless opportunities for hiking, skiing, and exploring its natural wonders. Section 9. The Modern Face of Iran, a Vibrant Society. While steeped in history and tradition, Iran is also a country on the move, with a young and vibrant population eager to connect with the world. You'll find a thriving art scene, bustling cafes, and a modern outlook that coexists alongside its ancient roots. Engage in conversations with locals, learn about their aspirations and dreams, and discover a side of Iran that often goes unseen. You'll find a society that is both traditional and modern, proud of its heritage yet open to the future. Embrace the opportunity to connect with the people of Iran, and you'll gain a deeper understanding of this complex and fascinating country. Section 10. Practical Tips for the Intrepid Traveler. Ready to embark on your own Iranian adventure? Iran is a land of rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality. Here are a few practical tips to help you plan your trip. From visas to local customs, we've got you covered. Most nationalities require a visa to enter Iran. The process can be straightforward if you prepare in advance. It's best to apply for your visa well in advance of your trip. This ensures you have ample time to gather all necessary documents and avoid any last-minute stress. Iran has a modest dress code, and both men and women are expected to dress conservatively. This means long sleeves, long pants or skirts, and avoiding tight-fitting clothing. Women are required to cover their hair with a headscarf in public. It's a good idea to carry a lightweight scarf with you at all times. The official currency of Iran is the rial. Familiarize yourself with the exchange rate before you go. It's advisable to carry cash as credit cards are not widely accepted. ATMs are available, but they may not always work with foreign cards. The official language of Iran is Persian, also known as Farsi. Learning a few basic phrases can go a long way in enhancing your travel experience. However, English is spoken in tourist areas and by many younger Iranians. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. By being prepared and respectful of local customs, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable trip to Iran. Embrace the culture, try the local cuisine, and make unforgettable memories. Section 11. Embrace the unknown. Discover the magic of Iran. Iran is a country that will challenge your perceptions, captivate your senses, and leave a lasting impression on your soul. From the bustling streets of Tehran to the serene gardens of Shiraz, every corner of Iran tells a story. It's a land of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern life, where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the pulse of the present, where breathtaking landscapes meet warm hospitality, and every encounter is an opportunity to learn and grow. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, open your heart, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Embrace the unknown, step outside your comfort zone, and discover the magic of Iran for yourself. You won't be disappointed. From the ancient ruins of Persepolis to the vibrant bazaars of Isfahan, Iran offers a unique blend of experiences. To learn more about Iran and other fascinating destinations around the world, be sure to follow our channel and engage with our content. We bring you stories from every corner of the globe. We're passionate about sharing our love of travel and inspiring you to explore new horizons. Join us as we uncover hidden gems and share travel tips. Together, let's continue to break down barriers, foster understanding, and celebrate the beauty of our diverse world. Let's make every journey a step towards a more connected and compassionate planet.